Hello everyone. This is Tushar Pinte. I'm a business analyst in Kylas. Today's webinar is all about WATI integration. So I have divided this webinar into two parts. That is, the first part is of sending the templatized WhatsApp messages to your customers, and the second part will be sending custom messages to your customers. Okay. So WATI is the basically official API partner of WhatsApp, which allows you to send broadcast bulk messages to your prospect, expected, and existing customers. So let's take a look how we can create first templates in the WATI. To create templates in WATI account, just go to broadcast and there is template message. So after clicking on the template messages, you can create your new template as per your requirement. So there will be a template name, category, what language you want to use in the template, then header, what body, what content you want to put in your body. Just this is all the part of WATI and creating the templates in the WATI, where you can put footer. If you want to insert any action button, then you can select one of the action button, that is call to action or quick reply. We have already created some of the templates for our testing. So once you create a template, it needs to be approved by WATI, because there are some terms and conditions from the WhatsApp itself, uh, which which needs to be approved by them, and once it is approved, then it is ready to use in uh, to send bulk templatized messages or broadcasts. Okay, so I have created few templates already. So let me show how this works in Kylas. So in order to send messages, first you need to log in into the Kylas. Okay, once I log in into Kylas, just I will go to Kylas Marketplace, and after scrolling down, there's a Kylas WhatsApp business messaging application. You need to first install this application. Let me install it first. It will ask me to search certain set of permissions. I will just allow and install this application. Okay, I think I had already logged in, so it did not ask me to enter credentials. But once you install the application, it will ask you to enter your credentials. Okay, if this is your first time, please sign up your click on a sign up, enter your email ID, name, and enter password, and please click on the sign up for free. You will receive a verification email. Just verify your email, and that's it. You are ready to use. As of now, I have already verified my email ID, so I will just click on sign in. I will enter my uh, credentials and will just sign in into the application. So once I install the application, I need to put my Kylas API key into the WhatsApp applications. Okay, so where do I find this API key? That is, just go to Kylas setting, and there is API key tab. Click on the API. This is the masking API key. I can just copy this key and paste it over here. So this is the same key that I was using, and I will check once if I want to create a lead or contact. So In order to create a lead, I will just check on a lead and save this. You can see there is a successful message that API key updated successfully. Now, in order to send templatized message, you need to first connect your WATI account to the Kylas one. Okay. So to connect your account, just go to WhatsApp account setting, add connected account, and you will see there is a vendor gupshup, and once you click on there is a WATI. So click on the WATI. Now it will ask you to enter secret access token, your register number, and server URL. Okay. So I tell you where you can find this. So go to WATI and API documents. Here is the secret access key, access token key, and API key. You just need to copy this and paste it over here. I request you to just go at the very beginning of the secret token key, cause we don't know, somehow whenever we click on the copy on WATI, it copies this bearer text as well. So you need to remove that text manually. You have to just registered number. Just enter register number. This is nothing but this one. Okay, with 91. So I will just paste it over here, and this is the server URL. This will be unique server URL, and it will be showing here. Okay, just copy this and paste it over here. Okay, so vendor, I have choose vendor, that is WATI. I have the secret token access key from the WATI itself. I have register number and I have server URL. I will just select, check this active application and save it. As of I have as of now I have already connected my account, so I won't be saving it again. But once I save this application, then you will get a one webhook URL. Just get this URL copied and again go to WATI, and you can see there is a webhooks. Just click on webhook. I have already configured one of my webhook, but I will quickly show you how you can add your webhook in the WATI account. So just add webhook, paste your webhook URL here, enable this status, and select the event, that is message receive, and save it. Webhook is already exists, so it is not allowing me to enter same webhook URL. So this is the process of configuring webhook into the WATI, and that's it. We are done. Now I have uh, I have the template template. I have created templates. Okay. So in order to send the templatized messages, first I have to uh, put this template into the Kylas. Okay. So just I will just go back to Kylas, and there is a tab that called WhatsApp template. Okay. I will just click on the template, add a WhatsApp template. Let me show you how you can copy this template. Just select WATI. Your template name will be available here. Let me copy one of the template. Okay, just copy this template name and paste it here. There's a template type text. We are till now we are only allowing text, so it will be text only. If I have set up any of the button, just copy this and paste it in the button section. Oh, I don't need to copy. Then there is a header. Header is a text, and it's welcome to Kylas. Okay. There is a content. I was using one of the variable to send to pass through the templates. So there is nothing in the template, just a variable name. Okay. Then there is a footer. Just copy this footer. Associated entity. I want to create this template for the lead, so I will just select lead. If I want to select, I want to send this template ties WhatsApp messages to contacts or deals, that I can select. But till now, I will just select lead. This message type will be HSM, and you don't need to put vendor template ID. This is not mandatory. Okay. So till now, what we have, vendor name, template name, template type, and all the things that we have put in our original template from the WATI. Okay, I will just quickly save this, and yes, this is active. Okay, so let me show you how you can use this template. So you can see there are three templates: welcome offer, welcome to Kylas, and new chat v1. Okay, so let me show you how you can send templatized messages to your leads. So just go back to your Kylas sales, add one of the lead. Yes. Okay, I will add phone number, because to send templatized message you need phone number, and just save this lead. Go to that particular lead details page, and you can see there is productivity section on the right side. Just here you can send a message. Just tap on here, select new message, and select text WhatsApp message, send WhatsApp message. Okay. I have connected WATI account, so I will just select WATI as a vendor. I will select phone number. Whatever templates I have added, and that whatever templates is active, I can show here. So I will just select one of the template. Okay, and I will just send this message. If I refresh this page, and again going to go back to the messages. Uh, 8888556524. Let me check my log. Not enough required template. I'll select another template. Yes, this is the successful response. This must be successful response. Yes. So I have sent templatized message to this lead. So to avoid this type of thing, just I will request you to just copy your all the template uh, text and every parameter and properties with with avoiding every space. So what happened? Usually whenever we add any template, there must be some space remained during copying the template properties. So please, I will request you, please ensure that you must not getting any space while copying the text. Okay. So you can see I have received, this is 1753, it's 553, and I have received this templatized message. Okay, so this was all about sending templatized message from Kylas itself via WATI. So let me recap all things what we have seen till now. In order to first send templatized message via Kylas, just go to Kylas Marketplace, install our WhatsApp application. Once you install the application, you just need to enter your uh, Kylas API key and save this. Once you save the API key, just go to WhatsApp account setting and connect your account. Please select your WATI as a vendor, put your secret access token, your registered number and server URL, and that's it. You are ready to use. Now you must create template, copy the templates from the WATI. Okay, so again I will request you to just avoid copying space and any vulnerable data. Okay, so that was all about the sending templatized message. Once the template is uh, active, just go to lead, select the lead, go to productivity section, click on a new message and click on send WhatsApp message. Select your vendor, select your number and select your template, and that's it. Just send this. So you can see that I have received one notification and there's a response as well. And I have got one templatized message again. So this was all about sending a templatized message. If you have any questions, you can ask or we can move to next part of sending custom messages through WhatsApp. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, let me first delete this lead so we can see whether if anyone business that is using bulk WhatsApp messages for marketing purpose, or they are sending broadcast to suspect, prospect, or their existing clients. Then, and once a client replies to their messages, so and that lead is not available or exist in our system. So what will happen? Okay, so let me quickly. Now you can see there is no lead with this phone number. That is, oh, I think this phone number. Okay, I have deleted that lead. So if any of the organizations sending the bulk WhatsApp messages to their clients, and one of the client replies to their messages, let's see, I have replied to that message and I have deleted that lead. Okay, so if I refresh this thing, you can see with the same number the lead has been generated. So what we are doing here, if you are using bulk messages for your marketing purpose and one of the lead or client replies to that number, our system automatically generate the lead in the Kylas itself. And now you can assign this lead to any of the user and then user can just work on it. Okay, so if I click on the lead, you can see the lead name is Tushar, and now I can edit the lead. and put the required information. You can see it automatically capture the numbers, so I don't need to create a lead manually. uh, and if you go to message section, there is the reply that you are receiving from the customer end. Okay, so whenever the so what we are doing here, once the lead is replying to your WhatsApp number, our system generate the leads, and that's it. Now uh, I want to engage this lead into my pipeline, sales pipeline, right? So what I will do, I will go to send WhatsApp message again, and I will select number. You can see there is a message that WhatsApp session is active and you can send a custom reply. So what we are doing here, with the help of WATI, we are allowing our users to send customize messages to their customers, and allowing them to engage throughout the communication with their leads, right? So this whenever the lead is replying to the message, the sessions get activated and it will be available for 24 hours. So if I type on any of the message and send it without selecting any of the template, I am able to send the custom message directly from the Kylas to the client. Okay, and if client again replied back, I will receive the message in our productivity section. So this way I can connect with my customers directly from the Kylas itself, and whenever the customer is replying to our conversation on the WhatsApp, our business WhatsApp number, this communication and session will be active for next 24 hours. So let's say it's 6 p.m. and I had sent one of the message to our bulk message to our customers at 5:45 p.m. today. Okay, and one of the customers from the list have replied me over the business number. So at 6 p.m. So this session will be activated for 24 hours, that is up to tomorrow 6 p.m. If uh, and this session will be a rolling session. So if tomorrow 5 p.m. if the customer gives me reply, then it will again rolling back and will be activated for next 24 hours. So that's how your users can be engaged with end-to-end conversation with your customers. So that was all about the custom reply. And there is one more thing actually. If you don't want to send custom message, you can just simply select one of the approved template and you can again send it back. And that's it. So this was all about sending custom replies. So anyone from the audience having doubt, please ask so we can wrap this session.
Do we receive notification for incoming message?
Okay, so notifications, yes. So whenever your customer sent you a reply, let's say this was the reply in your Kylas. Let me first enable my notifications, and
I think your screen is not visible to us.
is my screen visible now? Let me share it again. Okay, let me share it again. Now is it visible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So you can see that if any of your customers are replying to your conversation, you will receive a notification that a message has been received from the lead and the lead name. Okay. If I click on view message, I will directly navigated back to the message sections, and then again I can continue communicating with the particular client.
Okay, and can I do the same thing from my mobile application of Kylas?
Yes, you can actually, but let me share my uh, mobile application screen first. Right, you can see that if I go to leads, and this is the same lead that I was using to send WhatsApp messages. So I will click on the lead and will go navigated to the listing details page of the lead. Okay, I will click on the global action button and will select messages, and you can see there is a send WhatsApp message. I will quickly click on. Let me again sign it to the application first. I will select WATI as my vendor, and you can see there is a WhatsApp session is active, and I am able to send custom messages directly from Kylas itself. Let's check if I have received that message or not. And yes, you can use this WhatsApp application from your mobile application as well to send WhatsApp custom WhatsApp message or templatized WhatsApp messages directly from the Kylas application. My screen still visible, right? Yes. So you can see the message that I had sent is visible here in the message section. So any other doubt?
Anybody has any questions? In case you have any questions regarding WATI integration in Kylas or any other integration or anything related to support, you can always mail at support@kylas.io. All right, then we'll wrap up this session. Thank you for attending this webinar, and we look forward to the next webinar again. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Thank you.